The JL Audio RD500 of 1 is a compact monoblock amplifier that's earned a strong reputation for clean bass performance. But even premium products have their flaws. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down 7 common failures reported with the JL Audio RD500 and one that you need to know before you buy. First, inconsistent real-world power output. Although rated at 500 watts RMS at 2 ohms, some users report slightly lower real-world performance, especially when system voltage drops under load. For demanding subwoofers, this can mean less punch than expected. Second, thermal shutdown under heavy load. The RD500 of 1 has built-in thermal protection, but in warm climates or tight installations without good airflow, it's prone to shutting down during long, bass-heavy sessions. This can interrupt your music unexpectedly, frustrating if you like to push your system hard. Third, sensitivity to voltage fluctuations. The RD501 is less forgiving than some amps when it comes to electrical instability. If your vehicle's charging system is weak or fluctuates under heavy load, the amp can clip, distort, or reduce output to protect itself. Fourth, occasional bass knob failures. The optional RBC1 bass remote controller is convenient, but it's not as robust as it should be. Several users have reported dead zones, inconsistent adjustment, or complete failures of the bass knob after moderate use. Fifth, limited tuning flexibility. While it provides a clean low-pass filter and a variable bass boost, the RD500 of 1 lacks a built-in subsonic filter, a feature important for protecting sealed or ported boxes from unwanted ultra-low frequencies that can cause mechanical stress. Sixth, mounting and size challenges. The RD501 is compact, but its shape and terminal layout can make it tricky to mount cleanly in certain vehicles. Tight spaces and awkward cable routing can lead to messy installs if you're not careful. Seventh, price-to-performance ratio is questioned today. Although JL Audio builds quality products, competition from brands like Rockford Fosgate, Scar Audio, and Alpine means you can sometimes get similar or better real-world performance, more tuning options, and better cooling at a lower price point. In conclusion, while the JL Audio RD500 of 1 is a solid amp for moderate setups, its real-world quirks, heat sensitivity, tuning limitations, and cost mean it's not the automatic choice it once was. Be sure it matches your specific needs before you commit. For more professional car audio reviews and honest advice, subscribe to Auto and Moto.